Hi, this is your host. Welcome to this house. Today we are exploring the federal style of architecture. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an exciting episode. The federal style was an American style of architecture that emerged in the late 1700s and lasted until the early 1800s. It was popular during a time when the United States was still very new and establishing its own national identity, separate from its colonial past. As such, the style is characterized by a desire for simplicity and symmetry, reflecting the nation's political ideals of order and republicanism. Federal-style homes typically feature an elegant facade with restrained ornamentation, often including decorative moldings, arches, and columns. The style is known for its clean, simple lines and balanced proportions, as well as the use of natural materials such as wood and stone. Interiors are typically finished with elegant and sophisticated details, including intricate millwork, built-in cabinets, and furniture with delicate, refined profiles. The federal style was the last style to have George Washington as a patron, and it became popular in Virginia, where he lived, as well as in the Middle Atlantic states of Maryland, Delaware, and Pennsylvania, and in New England. Prominent examples include the White House in Washington, D.C., and Monticello, the home of Thomas Jefferson in Virginia. Let's take a closer look at some of the key features and characteristics of the federal style. First, the style is highly symmetrical with a balanced distribution of windows and other openings on each floor. This reflects the Enlightenment ideals of rationality and order, as well as the democratic values of the new nation. The facade is often dominated by a central entrance with a wide doorway and a fanlight or Palladian window above it. This emphasizes the importance of civic duty and public service, as well as the role of the citizen in government. The use of classical elements, such as columns and pilasters, also reflect the federal style's engagement with the ideals of the Enlightenment and its emphasis on reason and order. However, unlike previous styles such as Georgian, which had used these elements more heavily, federal style employed them in a more restrained and simplified manner. For example, columns might be used to frame the front door or to separate sections of the facade, but they are typically not used to support the roof. Instead, the roof is supported by a cornice, which is a decorative molding that runs along the top of the facade. Another key feature of the federal style is the use of decorative moldings and friezes. These are often used to break up the facade into different sections and to add visual interest. They can take the form of simple lines or more elaborate patterns, but they are always executed with precision and elegance. The interior of federal-style homes is equally refined and sophisticated. The style is known for its intricate millwork and built-in cabinets and furniture with delicate, refined profiles. This is particularly evident in the dining room, where the sideboard or buffet is often the focal point of the room. These pieces are typically made of wood and feature delicate, intricate carvings. They may also include glass doors or open shelves. In the living room, the federal style is evident in the chairs and sofas with their tapered legs and delicate, refined frames. These pieces are often upholstered in fine fabrics, such as silk or velvet, and may feature needlework or other decorative elements. The overall effect is one of understated elegance and sophistication. The federal style was the last major architectural style to emerge in the colonial era, and it reflected the changing values and aspirations of the American people. Its emphasis on simplicity, symmetry, and classical elements embodied the ideals of the Enlightenment and the democratic values of the new nation. From the White House to Monticello, the legacy of the federal style continues to shape the American landscape today. Which room is your favorite? Would you like to own a federal-style home? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And while you're there, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an exciting episode. I would also like to take a moment to say a very special thank you to our supporters whose names you can see on screen right now. If you would like to see your name on the screen and show the world your support for this channel, join our membership program today. I'll see you next time.